babes, welcome back to the channel. I'm back today with a new video, and in today's video I'm featuring Hairvivi. Big thank you to Hairvivi for sponsoring today's video. Now let's jump into this look. So today I have one of their newest wig designs. This is the wig named Hattie. This is in the 18 inches. This is an ash blonde highlight wig, glueless frontal wig, and I have the cap color Cappuccino. So you know Hairvivi is known for having the fake scalp underneath the wig. That way you can ditch the wig cap if you want to. So I'm going to show you how to install this right out of the box. This is your personal stylist wig, meaning it's already done for you. It's sent right to you. All you have to do is put her on and cut the lace. So this wig is extremely breathable, even down to the elastic bands in the back of the wig. It is mesh, making sure that every inch of this wig is breathable. Now, because this is a glueless install, there will be no spray, gel, or glue involved in this. I'm just going to put her on. Once I'm sure that the ear tabs are lined up, I cut the ear tabs, cut the excess lace, and that is really it. So I didn't need a lot of tools to style this hair. For the most part, everything was done. The waves were already in there. It is a very loose, subtle wave to it, but I do show you how to refresh them with my curling iron. But for the most part, this is a no work, no effort, beginner friendly wig install. The knots on this are pre-bleached. The hairline is pre-plucked. The hair is thick from root to tip. When I tell you this is a full high grade hair, you should already know when we're mentioning Hairvivi, we're talking about my top fives when it comes to quality in the wig business. Another thing I want to point out is this HD lace. Before I cut the lace was invisible. This is definitely a high quality HD lace. I didn't put any spray or glue, and it just blends right into the skin. So I can only imagine once it is adhered to the skin, it'll definitely melt down well. So if you want to see some other looks that I have tried from Hairvivi, check the end of this video. I will have a few videos pop up at the end, but they never disappoint when it comes to quality. This is more of an investment wig. This is something you're going to buy and you're going to have for a long time. So this is my first ash blonde wig from them in this highlight, and I love it. It feels so good in my hands, and it holds an amazing curl. As I stated, however they styled it prior to sending it out, it held a curl, and then that just is reinforced once I recurl it. I didn't even have to use hairspray, and this hair holds a phenomenal curl. Not to mention the hair smells amazing. Like, everything about this is just luxury. So I did show you how this arrived in the packaging. I love their new upgraded packaging. It is 100% recyclable, so that is a really nice touch, and you do get a satin bag that the hair comes in. That way you can store it in a bag if you don't want to store it in the box. Now you can purchase this wig in a few different lengths. This is available in 16, 18, or 20. This being the 18 is like a nice middle ground. If you want a few more inches, I would go for the 20. And if you're someone that likes a little more of a modest length, then you can opt for the 16. This also comes in a mocha cap. If you are darker complected and you want your base under the lace to be darker, you can opt for the mocha cap. So if I have a discount code, that will be down in the description box, but everything you need will be down below if you want to check out this wig or any other wigs that they have to offer on the website. Now this is definitely a stunner for the summer. Let me know what you guys think about this wig down below. Big thank you to Hairvivi for sponsoring today's video. HD lace, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-styled. What more can you ask for? All links will be down below. Shout out to them for sponsoring today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.